Welcome to Forever Salon. Today, we're giving you a sneak peek into our keratin treatment process, the ultimate solution for frizz-free, silky, smooth hair. Check out the dramatic difference. You can see the before and after this treatment. Let's see how we make this transformation happen. Before we begin, we always start with a consultation to understand your hair type and goals. The keratin treatment is perfect for all hair types. Whether you have wavy, curly or frizzy hair, it will leave your hair smooth and manageable. First, we start with a deep cleanse. Our cleansing shampoo removes impurities and opens the hair cuticle, preparing it for the keratin bond to penetrate. A fresh, clean start ensures maximum results. Once the hair is clean, we dry it partially to remove excess moisture. This ensures the product will absorb more effectively when applied. Next, we apply the keratin treatment. This is the magic formula that deeply nourishes and strengthens the hair from inside out. You may ask, what is keratin now? Keratin is a natural protein that makes up your hair, skin, and nails. Over time, hair can lose its natural keratin due to environmental damage, heat styling, or chemical treatments, which can lead to frizz, breakage, and lack of shine. That's where a keratin treatment comes in. During the treatment, a special keratin formula is applied to your hair. Once it's heat activated with a flat iron, the keratin bonds to the hair fibers, helping to repair and strengthen each strand. This process fills in the gaps in the hair cuticle, making it smoother, shinier, and more manageable. The treatment can last up to months, giving your hair a break from styling damage and reducing daily frizz. Now we use a special device to heat the hair and lock in the keratin. The heat activates the product, helping it penetrate deeply into each strand for a long-lasting result. You might be noticing that our salon is pretty full. That's because we have happy hours going on. Happy hours is when we offer special limited time discounts during Monday to Thursday for people who come in for haircuts or any treatments or getting wax done. So visit our website now and know more about happy hours. We finish this step by blow drying the hair, ensuring the product is locked in tightly for a sleek, shiny finish. To really seal the deal, we straighten the hair using a flat iron. This step ensures the keratin bonds are set, giving you perfectly straight, glossy hair that stays in place. Plus, aftercare is pretty simple. Just avoid washing your hair for the next 48 hours and remember to use sulfate-free products to maintain the treatment's length. If you notice some smoke coming out while the flat iron is being used, don't worry. It's completely normal. The smoke is simply the excess product evaporating as it bonds on your hair. It's not harmful or dangerous in any way. It's just a sign that the treatment is working its magic, sealing in the keratin to leave you with a gorgeous, sleek finish. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the process. It's all a part of getting your best hair. And there you have it, the finished result. Sleek, frizz-free and beautifully shiny hair. With keratin, you'll enjoy easy styling and a polished look that lasts for weeks. Ready for your transformation? Book your appointment at Forever Salon today and experience the magic of keratin for yourself.